Let's see if this makes her too busy to boss me around. This will make her feel funny.
Ugh, what's happening to me?
She looks so silly.
So it was you! Ha! You think this is funny?
You'll regret making me sick. Let me out. Please, Mama.
Finally, some peace.
I'm home. Where are you, Snowy?
Oh, Snowy went out with his friends to play.
Snowy! What are you doing in here?
Stay strong, son. I've got you.
Mama shut me away. I was trapped and so scared.
How dare you harm my child? You lied to me. Leave this house. You do not deserve this family.
Don't worry, son. You're safe now.
I'm so happy it's just us now, Papa. Always protect your family.
Lies and cruelty destroy love.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog.